Qualities of people with Scorpio Sun Sign. Individuals with a Scorpio Sun Sign possess distinct qualities and characteristics influenced by the intense and transformative nature of Scorpio. Here are some common qualities associated with people having a Scorpio Sun Sign. Intense and passionate. Scorpio Sun individuals are known for their intense and passionate nature. They have deep emotions and are not afraid to explore the depths of their feelings. They approach life with a sense of intensity and are highly driven in their pursuits. Determined and resilient. They possess great inner strength and determination. Scorpio Sun people have a strong willpower and are highly resilient. They are capable of enduring challenges and setbacks in order to achieve their goals. Mysterious and complex. They have a mysterious aura and a complex nature. Scorpio Sun individuals often keep their true selves hidden and prefer to reveal the deeper layers to a select few. They are drawn to the mysteries of life and have a natural curiosity about the hidden aspects of the world. Perceptive and intuitive. They have a keen sense of perception and are highly intuitive. Scorpio Sun people can pick up on subtle cues and have a deep understanding of human nature. They trust their gut instincts and often rely on their intuition to guide them. Trustworthy and loyal. They value trust and loyalty deeply. Scorpio Sun individuals are known for their loyalty and are fiercely protective of their loved ones. They keep their promises and expect the same level of commitment from others. Independent and self-reliant. They have a strong sense of independence and self-reliance. Scorpio Sun people are capable of handling challenges on their own and have a natural ability to navigate through difficult situations. They value their autonomy and strive for personal growth and transformation. Deep and introspective. They have a profound depth to their personality and enjoy exploring the deeper aspects of life. Scorpio Sun individuals are introspective and often engage in self-reflection. They have a natural inclination towards self-discovery and understanding their own motivations and desires. Protective and empathetic. They have a strong protective instinct towards their loved ones. Scorpio Sun individuals are deeply empathetic and can sense the emotions of others. They are often willing to go to great lengths to support and protect those they care about. Determined and goal-oriented. They have a strong sense of purpose and are highly goal-oriented. Scorpio Sun individuals are driven to succeed and will put in the necessary effort to achieve their ambitions. They have a laser-like focus and are not easily deterred. Transformative and resistant to change. They have a natural inclination towards transformation and personal growth. Scorpio Sun individuals are not afraid of change and are often willing to embrace it in order to evolve and progress in their lives. They have the ability to reinvent themselves and adapt to new circumstances. It's important to note that the sun sign is just one aspect of a person's astrological profile, and other factors, such as the placement of other planets and the individual's complete birth chart, can further influence their personality and behavior.